Yep.
Ready?
Yep, okay. You can tell me about in Aceh before?
Okay. My name is Erick Rico. I'm from Amerika Serikat, and this is my first time in Aceh. I've been to Indonesia before in 2010. This is my very first time in Banda Aceh, and I really love it because the people are very warm and welcoming. I would say that there's a lot of nature here, and the balance between people and nature is very beautiful.
Wow.
I really love the beauty of nature here, and I really love the warmth of the people. And it's very relaxed. The atmosphere is very relaxed, very peaceful.
Yeah. So how do you think that with the first time and then you have the second time for the twice, you will be here again?
Hopefully, yes.
Yeah, absolutely, yes. Because,
yes. I would love to come back.
Yeah, because in Aceh, it's very welcome to you. In Aceh, even though we words practice about the Islamic Sharia here, but we are very welcome for the overseas people here.
Yes.
Because in the Sharia means we are so proud and we are so friendly here. Yes, for the tourists.
And Aceh has its own culture.
Yeah.
Specific, lots of history here.
Yep.
And the people are very resilient.
Yeah.
Even after surviving the tsunami and everything, the resiliency is strong. People are very strong and very peaceful.
Wow, I'm really excited because I'm one of the survivors. Yeah.
Yes.
You said it took my young brother.
Wow.
They destroyed my home and lost and killed my families.
Yes.
I have less for 300 more than 300 people in my home.
Wow. There's a lot of strength there.
Yeah. Oh yeah. 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 Nice.